Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make this spider lady look. As always, I start with a clean face and I already used an AHA plus face cream. Then I just use my um, MAC Prep and Prime, and then I use my Garnier BB cream as a foundation. I'm super sorry, as you could see I didn't have a great day, and I shooted the video afternoon, and then I used my black cream paint all over my face. So I shooted the video yesterday afternoon, and I recording the voice today morning. I'm super tired yet, sorry for that. I try my best. So yes, I just painted my face and a little bit my neck. I don't want to paint my whole neck because I'm not the one who washes my clothes, so I don't want to make them black. Then I use my Imagic body and face paint to correct some little places and just finish the job, because I use this silver color just for highlight, but this cream black paint don't want it to work super good with it and everything. It was super weird, mostly on my forehead, because it started coming off when I wanted to blend them together, so it was super crazy. It was hard to make it look good. As you can see, it wasn't good with blending this cream paint, and I just add some colors on my lips to this silver color too, and then I try to make my eyebrows more visible with silver, and then I add silver on my eyelids. I wanted this silver black look, black because spider lady thingy, and I visualized what I want to make, but it wasn't. Yeah, and because the spiders have more eyes, I tried to do this, but I didn't have any black bright thingy, so I tried to make these eyes, and you can see what happened at the end, how it looked like. So I visualized what I want, but this just doesn't work like I wanted, or I don't know. I made this little fangs thingy, but I said maybe I just see it bad because it's not like I imagined. So yeah, this is, as you can see, it's not bad, but it's not good. So if you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There's a lots of link in the description that you should check out. My Halloween merch is still out until the November 1st, and see you next video. Bye.